The Eiffel Tower is one of the most iconic and recognizable landmarks in the world. It is a symbol of Paris, France, and of engineering excellence. It attracts millions of visitors every year who come to admire its beauty, history, and views. But how much do you really know about the Eiffel Tower? Here are some facts and stories that will make you appreciate this marvel even more. The Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. It was designed by Gustave Eiffel, a famous engineer who also worked on the Statue of Liberty. It took 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days to complete, with 300 workers and 18,038 pieces of iron. The Eiffel Tower was originally intended to be a temporary structure that would be dismantled after 20 years. However, it proved to be so popular and useful that it was spared from demolition. It served as a radio transmitter, a weather station, a scientific laboratory, and a military lookout. The Eiffel Tower is 324 meters, 1,063 feet tall, making it the tallest structure in Paris and one of the tallest in the world. It has 3 levels that are open to the public. The first level at 57 meters, 187 feet, which has a glass floor. The second level at 115 meters, 377 feet, which has a restaurant. And the third level at 276 meters, 906 feet, which has an observation deck. The Eiffel Tower changes its appearance depending on the time of day and season. It is illuminated by 20,000 light bulbs that sparkle for 5 minutes every hour from sunset to 1 a.m. It also changes color for special occasions, such as blue for Europe Day, green for St. Patrick's Day, or pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The Eiffel Tower has witnessed many historical events and cultural moments throughout its history. It was the site of the first wireless transmission across the Atlantic Ocean by Marconi in 1901, the first human flight around the tower by Santos Dumont in 1901, and the first parachute jump from the tower by Reichelt in 1912, which ended fatally. It was also the backdrop for many famous movies, such as An American in Paris, The Da Vinci Code, and Mission Impossible. It was also the inspiration for many artists, such as Robert Delaunay, Marc Chagall, and Pablo Picasso. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a metal tower. It is a masterpiece of engineering, a symbol of France, and a witness of history. It is one of the most visited monuments in the world and one of the most loved ones too. If you ever have the chance to visit Paris, don't miss out on seeing this wonder up close. You will surely be amazed by its beauty, history, and views.